Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Elsutra's kitchen. In our today's video, we're going to be talking about a detox tea, and I will be sharing with you my natural way of how I was able to achieve a flat tummy after having my babies. I noticed that my belly fat is growing day by day and I'm becoming weak and fatigued most of the time. I was having some kind of back pain and I'm always just tired around the house with my kids running around. So I wanted to lose the belly fat, but I wanted to do it in a natural way. So during my research, I was able to come across this natural remedy from home. It helps me cleanse my system and I lose the belly fat and I was able to get back on my feet. So, however, not just by using this detox tea that you're going to achieve the belly fat that I was able to achieve. I am also going to tell you about more tips on how you can achieve a really flat tummy and then eventually lose some weight. As I'm preparing my ingredients, I'm working on them. I'm going to be discussing, I'm telling you about more other ways you can achieve this. So the best and the first one is to eat clean and also on time. A healthy balanced diet is very important to cleanse your body internally. Incorporating fiber, vitamins and minerals in our diet can eliminate various toxins load naturally. Eat on time, especially for dinner. Do not eat heavy before going to bed. Otherwise, the food is not going to digest and all the fats in the food that you consume is just going to be around your stomach. If you are only able to eat dinner late at night around 8 o'clock, make sure you are consuming only soup that contains at least some fiber and proteins. Second way of achieving this flat tummy is to sweat more. That is for you to get some moves and exercise by doing some yoga or aerobics. Exercising recharge our system, increase our blood flow by making your heart pumping fast. Exercising daily, even for 15 to 30 minutes, will keep your body active, energetic, and proactive throughout the day. Then finally, sip detox tea. Tea is beneficial because it all contains all the natural ingredients in it that will help your system to boost metabolism, improve digestion, remove toxin from your body, clean your system, burn your belly fat, and eventually have some glowing skin because all the ingredients are natural. So as you can see, I have my ginger, garlic and lemon with some clean water. I washed them already and I'm going to bring this to a boil. I will bring the ingredient to the boil and then extract the juice out of the lemon peel, ginger and garlic so I can have a tea at the end of the day. So one of the reasons why I told you about the clean eating is because that was a point in my life when I was craving for so much fatty meat. I always try to eat lamb meat. I eat the oxtail, different kind of food that was not like really healthy, and I was not detoxifying. So it becomes built in my body and I was going through all this pain, back pain, my legs were hurting, I was always fatigued, I was nauseated like I was pregnant, and I get tested, I wasn't pregnant. So I went to the hospital and my doctor did some blood work on me and my result came back to have a high bad cholesterol. So in order for me to cleanse my system, they wanted to prescribe me a medication, but I know I don't want to take any medication. I wanted to do it natural. So I decided to do my tea and take it for a week. So I took my tea early in the morning before I eat anything, and then last thing at night before going to bed. And believe me, I was cleansed after a week. When I got another blood work, my bad cholesterol was gone. I was cleaned out. So this tea, I am a testimony of it, that it can cleanse your system and you can actually have an improved health by drinking this tea. And please, if you ever try this recipe, let me know in the comment section on how this tea helps you boost your system again, come back to where you are, or if you have lost any belly parts. But please, ladies, be sure to follow my tips about not eating very late and not eating too much fatty stuff. Just like try your best to eat clean as well as do your cleansing and stay hydrated. I will be sharing in my next video about a detox water that I came across from a friend of mine who shared the detox water with me, because this tea you can have it for a week and then you can rest until after 3 more weeks if you feel like your system needs to be cleansed again for you to do it again, because you don't need to be taking it your entire life. You just need to take it for 1 week straight in order for you to cleanse your system. So we have our tea, and usually what I do, I just store it in the refrigerator so that it doesn't get bad. And in the morning I just pour some in my cup and I add some warm water to dilute it, because believe me, the citric of the lemon is strong, and if you use organic ginger, it's also hot and strong. So usually I try to dilute it so I can have it early in the morning, and you will actually feel the burn sensation both on your throat and in your tummy. So just drink this tea at least 30 minutes before eating so that it works on your system and it cleans you up. Add some honey depending on how much you want it to be sweet or not, but please do not skip the honey, because honey as well has its own properties that is going to help you cleanse the system, as it is one of the natural agents and a natural sweetener. So please do not skip the honey, no matter how little you want to put on. Just put on some, and if you like it really sweet, just don't overpower the whole tea. Just take it as warm as you can, and try taking it early in the morning as well as the last thing you drink before going to bed, and I promise you, you will see a result. Thank you so much. Please watch the next video for the detox water so that you can stay hydrated and have a clean system as well.